In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make gradient text in Wix. If you've tried adding a gradient directly to regular text in Wix, you'll know it isn't supported the usual way. The simple workaround is to use a text mask, which lets your text act like a window showing a gradient behind it. It's quick, flexible, and looks professional once you dial in your colors. Start inside the Wix editor. Open the Add menu by clicking the plus icon on the left side of the screen. From there, choose Text to see all the text options available. Instead of picking a standard heading or paragraph, go to Text Mask. This category includes stylized text blocks designed to reveal images, videos, or gradients inside the letter shapes. Pick a mask style that matches your brand's vibe. Bold, clean styles tend to make gradients pop and stay readable. Drop that selection onto your page. Next, click Change Text to edit the placeholder content and type your own words. Shorter phrases and headlines work best for gradients because they keep the effect sharp and legible. If you need multiple lines, keep them concise and make sure the spacing doesn't crowd the letters. With your text in place, click Customize Design to refine the look. This is where the gradient magic happens. Select Gradient to access the gradient controls for your text mask. Then click the color box to open the gradient picker. Here you can choose from preset gradients or define your own color stops. Think about contrast and mood. Complementary colors create eye-catching effects, while analogous colors offer a smoother, more subtle transition. Once you've selected your gradient colors, adjust the color slider to fine-tune the blend. Small tweaks here can make a big difference. Use the slider to balance how much each color shows and how softly they transition. If your background is busy or dark, aim for brighter gradient tones. If your page is light and minimal, slightly deeper or saturated colors can help the text stand out without overpowering the design. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Preview your page to see how the gradient text looks at different sizes and on mobile. And consider using thicker or semi-bold fonts within the mask to preserve clarity. Finally, align your text with surrounding elements so it feels intentional in the layout. And that's it. Your gradient text is ready to go. Using Text Mask for a clean, modern effect in Wix.